Guys, welcome back to this video. In the previous video, we were able to design a simple form with HTML and CSS. So now let me open my folder directory. So that's what I'm going to open now. So this is where I've been working since. This is my folder. I've been doing a lot of stuff here since from day one of this tutorial. From the first video and everything. This year I've been working and saving my files together. So this is the first one we are able to design with only HTML and CSS. But we are going to use media query to make this form responsive at any screen size. So guys, that's what we are going to do. So let's move to HTML at our CSS where we are going to do that stuff. So let's start. I'm going to use a media. I'm going to start for the container and for the forms. Yes, that's what I'm going to start. So here I come here. Okay guys, I'll explain a little more about media query in our next video, in our previous video. But we are going to learn more about media query on our next video because our next video we are going to design a simple website using HTML and CSS and it will be looking responsive. So guys, now I'm going to start at media. Yes, and screen on. Then I'm going to put the parenthesis. It's a condition. If certain condition is true, there's the code will execute. But if it's not true, it will not work. That's it. So I'm going to put this. So here I'm going to add this. So guys, I'm going to put the container. Then if at media screen and pass width, if at the screen of 100 pixels, the form should margin left and margin right. The margin right, that's what I want to start. The margin left. Margin left should be 5%. Then the margin right should also be 5%. Should be at the middle. Then after that, I'm going to style the form. I'm going to say that forms. So the max width should be 100%. 100%. So guys, this is all I'm going to write in the media query of this form. So the form is already running on the port 5500. That's the port of this one. So let's check the media query. As you can see, the form is not shaking, but before you see that the form is dancing. Yeah. So it's not shaking now. As you can see, it's not shaking. It's not shaking. I use that the max width, the margin left and right. That's what I style this. So guys, you can style your own. Okay, because of like this, I did not style, I did not add the screen. There is no screen that's this size, so that's it will not work. But you can see, so that is it. Not size to 300 and from 200 screen, but as of this, it's good. Yeah. So now we are going to learn about Bootstrap. First of all, let's go to the documentation. Let's go to let's browse what Bootstrap is all about. Then I'll choose Bootstrap 3.5. Okay, guys, this is the official website of Bootstrap. So I'm going to the latest version of Bootstrap is Bootstrap 5.3. So let me open this one. So this is the official website of Bootstrap. So guys, as the thing is loading, you can say that Bootstrap is a popular front end web. Okay, guys, you can say that Bootstrap is a popular front end framework for developing responsive and mobile website. That's what you can say that Bootstrap is. And Bootstrap is developed by Twitter. Yeah. Bootstrap offers a set of CSS, HTML, and JavaScript tools for building interactive and user interface. Bootstrap is good for designing your web page, for going into a big project. You can use Bootstrap to save more times. So this is Bootstrap. You can come to the website to know more about Bootstrap, but I'm going to introduce you guys, tell you guys little things about Bootstrap so that when we start our mini project using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, so that you not get confused. So guys, this is it. Quick start. This is how to use Bootstrap. If you come on the official website, click on the document. Yes. So for you to be able to use Bootstrap on your work is either you download the Bootstrap library or you copy the CDN from their website. That's ways you can use Bootstrap. Without that, if you are writing Bootstrap in your HTML file, it will not work. So guys, in this video I'm going to use the online CDN for Bootstrap. So that's what I'm going to do. So now I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this and go to my then now I'm going to create a new HTML file. I can call it bootstrap.html. Yeah. Let's call it bootstrap.html. So now I will paste the code. So as you can see, this is the link, the online link for Bootstrap. This is the script, the JavaScript CDN link for Bootstrap. Without copying these two, it will not work. If you write any Bootstrap style, it will not show. For example, Bootstrap style like column, row, and other stuff. Let me test to see if this will work. So now I'm going to say column, say column 6. So let me put paragraph. Let me see what we have. So let me put Rolim. So guys, now let's open this on our web browser. Let's see what we have. Have you seen it? Yeah. So this is because we have linked the online bootstraps and the JS. So guys, for example, you can let me give another CS bootstrap style so that you will understand more on what I'm saying now. Let me style this paragraph. Let me give it a background. Yes. As you can see, this is one of bootstrap style. BG success is for green. In Bootstrap, we have many abbreviations that are used for to call a class in CSS. Yes, we have BG, we have test Y, test this, we have info, that's for colors. We have column, we have row, we have many other bootstrap, we have MX Auto, we have MT, that's margin top, we have MD, which is margin bottom, we have PY, we have PX. Yeah. So when we are doing our mini project, we are going to use all this so that you know what it's all about. So guys, if I remove this link now on our website, it's not going to work. Yeah, it's not going to work. The bootstrap classes we have called is not going to work because we have removed the link, the CDN link. But if we download the library, yeah, you call the library the way you call your CSS file. That's the way you will call it by typing link and doing some other stuff. So that is it. So guys, if you go back, you will see that it's working like this. So that's what Bootstrap is all about. But Bootstrap is big. Bootstrap is big. We have many things in Bootstrap. With the help of Bootstrap, you know start from scratch to write your navbar, your card. We have many other things just for you to copy the code, to style it, customize it to your own choice. That's what Bootstrap does for you as a programmer. So here now you can see I have many stores at the sidebar where I am scrolling now at the bootstrap. So now let me go to navbar. Let me copy the navbar. As you can see the card, you can see the navbar, you can see the navs and tabs. So many other things. But before copying the navbar, the the navbar and the card, let me show you something on bootstrap. Yeah, let me show you something on bootstrap. If you want to display something on grid like CSS, type you go to the CSS your CSS file to write some code so that you want to position like some elements so that it will display in three form in a row. Yeah, with help of Bootstrap, that will be easier for you. Like this now, let me say I want to display this in a three format so that it will take up the width of the screen without any of them being at the down or the top. So that this is what I'm going to do. First of all, we put it in a container, or let me put it in a row. So let me copy this also. If I copy it like this, so it's like this now. Okay. So now, okay, we have now copied. Oh, we made a mistake. We made a mistake. Yeah, we made a mistake. As you can see, we made a mistake. So that is why. So let me change this success to primary. Yes, as you can see, this is CCs. They take the size of the screen. So if you put it in a container, you see something different. As you can see. Then I will explain what's container and the container flow so that you know more about CSS, the bootstrap classes, and Short style. So that is it. So yeah, you can decide if you want to add more three, you can call this four, then you can say this should be four because the size from the left to right is 12. So that is it. So I can start by this, it is four. So let me change this to danger. Or let me say info. Let me call it info. Yes. This is bootstrap for you. So this is bootstrap. That is how to put some columns and cards in bootstrap. So guys, let me clean all this. Let me do away with all this, or let me leave it. Let me clean all this. Only this below word. So guys, this is navbar for bootstrap. So if you come here, you will see how it works. You can read more on the documentation. There is everything you want to understand more about bootstrap is here. You will read it. So this is the navbar with search. We have many other types of navbar without search, with only the logo, with only the so you copy the one you want, style it the way you want. So that is it for bootstrap. So let me copy this. Okay guys, let me paste it here. Let's open our work to see what we have. So as you can see, this is what we have. Yeah, this is what we can have. So guys, let me shoot from the home so that it will be at the middle. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah. So let me shift this right up so that it will shift, it will give gap from the navbar. That's what I want to do now. So I will come here. Let me write empty. As you can see, it have this some space to the navbar. So let me style this navbar. The body BG body color is special. Let me put it to primary. Made mistake on the spelling. Yeah. This is the BG primary. This is your navbar. So if you remove the script CDN link, the drop down will stop working. Some other functionalities will not be working on your code. Like this navbar, it will not work. So that is it. Let's put it back. If you refresh and go back, this navbar will work. So that is it. That is bootstrap for you. That is bootstrap for you. So let me add some image, little image and text beside it. So that's what I'm going to do now. There you go. Then let me put in column 6. Let me first of all call the image. As you can see. Then let me give some space. As you can see, there is space between this and that. So let me add image now. I want to add text. I have added image, sorry. Let me add text. Yeah, as you can see the text and the image, they are jam-packed together. So now it's not looking good at all at all. Okay. So if we style this image, the image will shift more. So but I want to show you something on our big class lesson. You're going to learn that our container do not have a closing tag. Our container do not have a closing tag, and it's very bad. Once you are programming, you have to be careful everything you are doing. You have to be very, very careful to avoid some little mistake. So you have to be very, very careful whenever you are programming. So let me do away with all these. So in Bootstrap, you have many other things on Bootstrap. We have card. Let's go and get card. This is card. We have single. We can copy one single and display it to multiple. That's it. Okay. Let's copy this card now to make it to be let me say three. So as you can see, we are able to display this to three. This is where you will add your image. This is where the place you add your image. This image contains a this card contains for image title, some text items and a link. There are some that are not like that. So you know how to, if you want to make the card so that you not be pushing the navbar, you just empty, you do your empty based on you have empty, that's the size from 1 to 5. The 5 is the highest. Yeah. So 5 is the highest. This where we stop in this video. So when we want to do our mini project, we are going to learn more about Bootstrap, using Bootstrap, CSS and HTML and JavaScript to do a mini project. That's what we are going to learn on next lesson. Thank you.